Okay, I'm going to show you how to make your IP address static in Windows 10. One way to do it is right-click on the little icon down by your system tray and go to Open Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, change adapter settings. There should be one Ethernet network adapter in here. You can right-click on it and go to Properties. The Ethernet Properties window appears. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, go to Properties, and then change it to use the following IP address, and then type in your IP address that you want to have static. Press Tab, it should automatically fill in the subnet mask, which should be correct. You can change it if you need to, but you shouldn't have to. The default gateway is usually the router, unless it's your server that's doing it as the DHCP. Also, your DNS should be the same as your gateway normally, and you may have a secondary DNS server, which could be the IP address of the computer itself if this is a server, or you could also have it as one of Google's IP addresses, such as 8.8.8.8. Once you have this all in place, just hit OK and close, and that's it. The other way of doing it is click on the Start button, type in Control. You may have to click on the field next to it, search the web and Windows, so you can type in Control, then click on the Control panel, click on Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center, and from here change adapter settings, and it's the same procedure as before. And you can see the information is the same as what we already had. That's it. If you want to switch it back, you can't change the DNS until you change IP. Then you can change the DNS back to automatic. That's it. Thanks for watching.